All right, hello and good afternoon. This is Ethan Walker, and today we're just doing the Java Final project. So basically, we had to make a receipt, a working receipt for a store, and I did not want to do that. But so this is the code that we have here. I made it split it into four parts. So the first part that we'll go into is this one here. We'll come back to this. Is the retail item. So this just shows it's a class just for the retail item itself. So it has the private string. It describes what the item is. So if it's it was designer jeans, shirts, or a jacket. It shows that. Then it says how many units are inside the store. Excuse me, sorry. And then the last one was the price of each one. So, and it just continues going, public retail item. And this also, so it gets the name, how many in stock, price, and then we can also create new items with it. The next one is the cash register. So this is where all the math is done. So it gets the subtotal from what you want from the user input. It multiplies the price by the quantity. Then it gets the subtotal and multiplies it by the tax rate. Tax rate is up here. And then after that, the get total, it returns the subtotal plus the tax rate that it was multiplied together. And that sends it to the sales receipt. And the sales receipt puts everything together and it puts what you want. So it says here, it shows here, it writes a text file as well after the user finishes. And that's basically it. If we go back up here, this is the main file, puts it all together. So the retail item that we have here is jacket, designer jeans, and shirt, like I said earlier. It has the units on hand that are there and also the prices that are next to it. This allows the user, use the case here, it has 1, 2, or 3. And the user can input what they want. So 1 would be jacket, 2 jeans, 3 shirt. And if it's something else, it would prove invalid for them. Then it's going to ask them how much they want, what's the quantity that they want for it. And then after that, it's going to use the cash register file and to calculate the cost. Then it's going to print the total cost on the screen, and it's going to ask if you want a receipt. And as you can see down here, and the receipt will be saved as receipt.txt. And that's pretty much it. So let's give this a try. And we can go here. We're going to run the file. Let me expand this up here. So see here, we have 3 things that we have. And we're going to click, let's just say, let's do 1. And let's say they only have 12 units on hand. We want 6, buy 6. We're feeling pretty good. That's expensive. But we have here 6. So showing you the unit price that we have, $59.95. We want to buy 6. And the subtotal is $359. The taxes will be $21.58, and it'll be in total $381.28. So if we want a receipt, let's say yes, and it will say saved as receipt.txt. And now I'm going to look up receipts, and no, it's not that. Where is it? All right, here it is, right here. So sales receipt right here, and it shows you right here. Same thing. Its subtotal is $59.70, sales tax is $21, and the total of it. And that's all. So I thank you for watching, and have a nice day.